Hello fellow judges, teachers, and classmates. We are the third group of the Information Management Department of Hubei University of Science and Technology. Our group leader is Wu Yishen. The group members include Lu Youshen, Li Ziying, Ko Zhenyu, Zhang Rui, and Dai Xinyu. Our topic is based on Retrieve Enhanced Generative Models. Design and application of Campus Intelligent Assistant. Our topic outlines are research motivation, research purpose, system architecture, system description, RAG model flowchart, source of regulations, case description, conclusion and future prospects. Research motivation. Schools are like businesses. In order to effectively organize and manage, schools will establish many management norms and organizational systems. With the continuous expansion of organizations and the need for deepening management standards and methods have become increasingly complex. This also makes it difficult for faculty and staff to know where to get solutions when they encounter problems. For example, what should students do if they want to transfer departments? Where should teachers and students apply if they want to take leave? When we encounter the above situations, we may go online to check the educational regulations. However, there are many detailed items on the educational regulations webpage that take a lot of time or may not be found. Asking the relevant administrative staff may be because they are busy, or I am unable to spend enough time to deal with my problem due to time constraints. Then go to CARD and ask the seniors. They may only be able to provide their own experience or opinions and cannot completely solve my problem. So what should I do? Faced with the complicated school management methods and regulatory points, it is not only time-consuming to find the required regulations, but also often uncertain whether the correct information is found. At this time, if there is a system service that can provide us with consultation and effectively answer the questions we need based on actual school administrative methods, it will certainly be able to significantly reduce management costs and significantly improve administrative efficiency. Research purpose. In order to help teachers and students when encountering regulatory issues, they can instantly find the required regulatory information from the key points, methods and regulations of each item. This topic combines retrieval-enhanced generation and large language models to construct an on-campus intelligent assistant system. The characteristic of RAG is that it knows what it knows and what it doesn't know, and it will not answer our questions randomly. This tool allows us to obtain the required regulatory information efficiently and accurately. System architecture. Our system architecture is mainly divided into two parts, namely the knowledge base and the RAG retrieval model. The source of our knowledge base is the Educational Affairs Regulations of Hubei University of Science and Technology, which ensures that our system has a certain degree of accuracy. The RAG system is the basic core of our system and combines vector databases with large language models. By integrating RAG and large language models, we create a campus intelligent assistant that can respond quickly and accurately, effectively reducing the time teachers and students spend querying information. Our system consists of four main parts, namely front-end interface, front-end and back-end API connection, back-end system, and database management. First, we use Vue.js to build an interactive and intuitive front-end. Next, we use RESTful API to achieve efficient front-end and back-end data transfer to ensure the independence of system modules. To handle natural language tasks, we choose Azure OpenAI GPT-4. The Azure Enterprise Language Model Platform processes data faster and does not use our data for training, ensuring data security. Finally, we use Azure Cosmos DB as an efficient vector database to ensure data management and retrieval efficiency. The combination of these technologies creates a robust and efficient system that can respond to diverse user needs and achieve sustainability. System description. The campus intelligent assistant proposed in this topic can quickly and accurately provide the regulatory information needed by teachers and students, which can reduce management costs. It can instantly obtain the school's management norms and regulations, and also improve the system's ability to understand and respond to natural language, making it convenient for users. The advantage of RG is to integrate external information to provide more accurate responses and avoid data errors or fictitious problems that often occur in large language models. RG model flowchart. The RG model is specially designed for text generation. RED provides predefined queries and related data to large language models, thus improving the accuracy and reliability of the model. This flowchart can be divided into two parts for explanation. The first part is the process of data storage, which is from A to C. First, the data is divided into small blocks and imported into the model to convert them into vectors. Let the model obtain the meaning or related data in the form of vectors. These vectors data is stored in a vector database for subsequent retrieval and management. The second part is steps 1 to 5. When the user makes a query, RED will pass the user's question into the same set of models, then convert it into a vector and store it, and finally index it. Then the user's question and the retrieved context are passed to the large language model, and the correct answer is returned to the user for reference. Sources of regulations. Our source of information is the Academic Affairs Regulations of Hubei University of Science and Technology. Case description. A. Case 1 Application for department transfer. A student decided to transfer to the Department of Asset Management after studying for 1 semester in the Department of Business Administration for some reasons. So when he went to the school website to query information, he felt that the regulations were too complicated. So he decided to use this system to inquire about the method of transferring departments. He entered what are the steps involved in applying for system transfer. The instructions for using this system are very detailed, allowing users to understand the steps of system transfer more clearly, and also include reference materials for all relevant regulations, so that users do not have to search one by one. Saves a lot of trouble and time. B. Case 2. Teacher asks for leave. A new teacher is not feeling well and wants to take leave, but does not know if there are any specific conditions. In the past, he might ask the administrative assistant, but the administrative assistant may not remember the detailed specifications, so he must check the information again. However, using this system he only needs to enter a question to get an answer immediately. Then he enters is a teacher's leave subject to specific conditions or restrictions. Using the reference materials given by the intelligent assistant system can integrate all relevant regulatory information, eliminating the need for additional inquiries. What information to prepare? C. Case 3 Car accident mediation. A new student just came to Hugh to study. Because he was not familiar with the road conditions, he accidentally collided with others. Since it was his first time in a car accident, he didn't know how to mediate. He didn't know whether the school would help with the matter. So he used this system to enter there was a car accident. Will the school help mediate it? And the system responded that the relevant policy could not be found. You can see that our campus intelligent assistant does not have all the questions. All can be answered. In comparison, the biggest difference between this system and the commonly used checked is that checked may generate wrong or irrelevant answers even if the question does not have a correct answer, while the RG model design we use can understand the context of the question, and only reasonable and well-founded answers are provided, and if the user's question is beyond the scope of the knowledge base, it will be clearly stated that it cannot answer it. This means that no matter what question a user asks, our system will strive to provide the most useful and accurate answer, thereby increasing user satisfaction and trust. Conclusion. During the test, we prepared a QA set of 1,742 questions. In the end, the system was able to answer 1,644 questions correctly. The accuracy rate of the campus intelligent assistant in answering questions was as high as 94.37%. The campus intelligent assistant successfully uses the RG model to generate legal content, which also improves the efficiency of school management. In the future, it can be expanded to areas such as academic affairs or teaching to provide more comprehensive services. In the future, speech recognition can also be added to improve the convenience of use, expand to other areas to provide broader value. Future outlook. The intelligent service system proposed in this topic can already be introduced into practical applications, and it is expected that it can be expanded to business applications in various units of the school in the future. At the same time, we have been discussing industry-university cooperation with many major domestic technology companies and public units to jointly improve and introduce the intelligent service system we proposed. In the future, we hope to build a multi-expert intelligent system through cooperation in different fields, and also hope to introduce different language models, such as Llama 3 proposed by Meta, Gemini of Google, Claude 3 and other large language model services. Based on the content of the above report and the results of the topic, it can be confirmed that the intelligent assistant system proposed in this topic can be put into practical application to improve administrative efficiency and effectively reduce management costs. The development of technology application is the forefront to be followed. Technology development trends. The above is our report. Thank you all.